Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be spending 1,697 Stardust Core on the Nexus C event. And these are all the skins that I don't have on my second account. So I'm not going to get Layla because for me, I think that 2 double 11 skins are better than 1 legend skin. And I will get more points as well because 1 double 11 skin gives you 3,000 collector points, while 1 Layla legend skin gives you 4,000 only. So 2 double 11 skins are worth 6,000 points. And there's also another surprise in this video, so keep on watching. So I've thought about it and I decided to get the Tamus than Layla. Because look at these effects. Look at these effects. I think this is the one that deserves to be legend skin. Do you agree, guys? Nice. Look at this awesome skin, guys. Look at that aura. 3,000 collection points. Tamus the Annihilator. Here's my 624th skin. And happy to announce, guys, that I'm now World Collector on my second account. Let's claim it. Rewards. Nice. And we have the collector name color. Collector global leaderboard unlock. And let's see. Oh, we can get another reward. Oh, we got an emote. But we're not yet done, guys. We can still exchange for another double 11 skin, and the one I'll choose is Shura Hayabusa because I don't have Shura in any of my accounts. I only have Shadow of Obscurity. Sorry. Shadow of Obscurity. And I believe this skin looks better than Shadow of Obscurity. And also the Exorcist one, but I don't have that one as well. So we still have 97, and I'll be getting this custom action, of course. I literally draw until I got enough tokens for this. So how many draw? 80 draws, guys. I just did daily draws, and I also did the first phase and second phase recharge. Use some promo diamonds on the draws to get this, guys. So that's it, guys. What did you get? I'm gonna use all the remaining tokens for candies. Don't have anything else to spend it on. And congrats to our second account because we are now World Collector, guys. Wait, let's edit this, guys. So what should we replace? Yeah, let's replace this Amon, and what else? Let's replace Killua for now. And let's place Tamus and Shura. Oh, nice. Nice. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Share on the comment section what did you get, and please support my page, Arkneil Gaming. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.